Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 20th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, we have EverValue Coin, or EVA, a new cryptocurrency that's making waves with its innovative approach to generating profits in Bitcoin. EVA tokens are fully backed by Bitcoin, with a capped supply of 21 million, ensuring scarcity and zero inflation. The system operates through a smart contract wallet, the Burn Vault, where Bitcoin from mining operations is deposited daily. Investors can only access this Bitcoin by burning their EVA tokens, directly linking the token's value to Bitcoin's performance. The project emphasizes security, with audited smart contracts and transparent transactions. The EVA group plans to burn 3 million tokens in the first year, maintaining a guaranteed minimum price for EVA in wrapped Bitcoin. This self-sustaining model, independent of token sales, aims to provide a safer investment option compared to other cryptocurrencies. In legal news, a Texas court has dismissed a lawsuit filed by Consensys against the SEC and its chair, Gary Gensler. The lawsuit alleged that the SEC had opened an investigation into Ethereum and issued a Wells notice to Consensys regarding its MetaMask products. However, the court ruled the claims moot since the SEC had already dropped its investigation into Ethereum. Consensys expressed disappointment, emphasizing their commitment to advocating for blockchain developers' rights and contesting the SEC's actions in a separate lawsuit. This dismissal reflects the evolving regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies in Washington. Solana Mobile is making headlines with the launch of its new mobile device, the Solana Seeker. This device integrates Web3 capabilities into a user-friendly format, featuring a superior camera, battery life, and affordability. Central to its functionality is the Seed Vault, enhancing security for digital assets. The Seeker includes a mobile-first wallet developed with Solflare for seamless transactions. The Solana mobile dApp store has been updated for better navigation and reward tracking, offering zero fees. Each device comes with a soul-bound Seeker Genesis token, granting exclusive access to rewards within the Solana ecosystem. With a special pre-order price of $450, the Seeker aims to make Web3 technology more accessible. Hyperlane has launched its services on Solana and Eclipse, enhancing interoperability within the Solana virtual machine ecosystem. This expansion allows seamless token bridging between platforms, initially supporting assets like SOL, USDC, and WIF. Eclipse, the first SVM chain outside Solana, leverages Ethereum's liquidity with faster transaction speeds. Hyperlane's open-source model encourages developer contributions, fostering cross-VM interchain applications. Future plans include expanding supported assets and enabling cross-VM applications, enhancing the ecosystem's capabilities. Stablecoins are being compared to credit cards in terms of their potential impact on payment systems. With a global supply exceeding $150 billion, stablecoins offer low cross-border fees and rapid settlement. They could outperform credit cards in cross-border transactions, reducing fees significantly. The article highlights opportunities for startups in orchestration services and specialized issuance, similar to trends in the credit card industry. As the stablecoin market matures, it could create trillion-dollar markets supporting numerous large businesses. Jack Newald's Twitter thread explores career opportunities in the crypto and Web3 sectors. He highlights the benefits of working in crypto, such as rapid learning and competitive compensation, but also warns of the industry's fast-paced and volatile environment. Newald outlines various crypto jobs, emphasizing the meritocratic nature of the industry, where a strong portfolio can outweigh traditional qualifications. He encourages building a portfolio through projects and networking, noting diverse roles beyond technical positions. Success in crypto often comes down to being proactive and building a personal brand. In a sophisticated social engineering attack, 3 individuals stole $243 million from a single victim by impersonating Google and Gemini support. The attackers transferred 4,064 BTC to a compromised wallet, laundering the funds through various exchanges. Investigators have frozen over $9 million and returned $500,000 to the victim. Law enforcement arrested 2 of the attackers, with expectations of additional funds being seized. The investigation continues, with updates to follow as the legal case progresses. Finally, we delve into the concept of fast finality in blockchain transactions. Fast finality enhances confidence in token transfers by ensuring transactions are accepted and validated quickly. Different blockchains handle finality differently, with solutions like ZK rollups and optimistic rollups offering distinct mechanisms. The importance of fast finality is emphasized for interchain communication and shared sequencing solutions. Symbiotic's modular solution aims to integrate fast finality into various blockchains, promoting flexibility and reliability. The article invites community involvement in developing these solutions, highlighting potential for cross-blockchain projects. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Remember, links to all the stories can be found in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay informed and stay secure.